type of dolphin is so special. This
Mhm.
is the only oceanic species of dolphins that, including whales as well, or other marine mammals that will change color
Mhm.
after birth.
Mhm.
All the others remain the same color
Mhm.
after born and then until, adulthood, until they die. It's the
Mhm.
same color.
Mhm.
This is the only species, uh, oceanic species, that become so much lighter after birth. And I've been challenged by saying that because someone came to me and said, no, there are other pink dolphins in the Amazon. Yes,
Mhm.
true.
Yeah.
Yes. But they are river dolphins. They're
Mhm.
freshwater river dolphins.
Mhm.
They
Mhm.
they're totally different species,
Mm.
and they look very differently,
Yeah.
and they are completely blind because water's so murky there.
Oh,
Eyesight
yeah.
is completely useless. Our
Right.
dolphins have very good eyesight.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Uh, uh, Only females will take care of the young dolphins, either
Uh-huh.
their own or they help. Yeah, if you see, the baby has to stay very close to the mother for three
Mhm.
years,
Okay.
and so yeah, and until they are old enough to be independent.
Okay. So
And
after 3 years, they're independent?
yes, not adult yet because they would mature at the until they reach to 10 or
Mm.
older, and
Hmm.
that's when they can breed.
I
They
see.
can, yeah, mate and breed.
I see.
And a female can only have one baby each time. You can see the
Mm.
calf
Mm-hmm.
is so big.
Mm-hmm.
This
Mm-hmm.
is very young, newborn almost. The color tells
Oh.
you that this is older.
Uh-huh.
This one is so young, but it's
Oh.
so big already.
Yeah. Yeah. Well, the
So
adult dolphins, how they are not that big. How big are
they're
they?
not that big. They're
Yeah.
about 3 meters long.
Okay, 3 meters. Yeah.
And a baby, right after birth, about 1 meter long.
Okay. Okay. Wow,
So
that's
a female can only carry one baby each time in her womb, in her belly.
yeah.
So no twins, and not like, if they are like cats, dogs, or pigs, they
Mm-hmm.
can have multiple,
Mm-hmm.
offsprings, but no, not for dolphins. It's kind of like elephants. An elephant can
Mm-hmm.
only have one baby elephant each time, also
Mm-hmm.
called calf.
Yeah.
Yeah, so back to the context of pink dolphins to the local population.
Mm-hmm.
Now, more people know about them.
Mm-hmm.
Thankfully, more people care about them,
Mm-hmm.
especially those who have gone out with us and said that, oh, what can we help? What can we help?
Yes.
And so there's lots of things that we can do, knowing
Okay.
that what are the factors endangering them.
Mm-hmm.
So reclamation, filling up concrete, the
Mm-hmm.
sea with concrete, we have to say no to further development in the dolphin habitat.
Mm-hmm.
We have to voice out for the dolphins.
Mm-hmm.
And water pollution, of course.
Mm-hmm.
Hong Kong government hasn't been doing a good job to purify the sewage,
Mm.
uh, domestic or industrial sewage in Hong Kong. And so we do have to say that, okay, dirty seawater, not good for the health of the dolphins. So you could do better. But as individual, can we do something to
Mm-hmm.
minimize our footprint, the negative footprint?
Yeah. What can
Our
we do?
domestic sewage from our home will go to the dolphin's home. So
Mm.
if we shower with organic,
Mm.
cleanser,
Mm-hmm.
if we use natural products to clean our toilet bowl, for example,
Mm-hmm.
instead of bleach,
Mm-hmm.
we can use a lot of things. Actually, uh, boiled tea leaves, and
Uh-huh.
also, yes, just sip it overnight.
Uh-huh.
There will be still something coming out from the used tea leaves,
Uh-huh.
and that will help to purify the water and so clean up the toilet. And also,
Mm-hmm.
like they would go into the system of the dolphins because they live in the seawater, just like if there's air pollution. Air pollution also affects the dolphins because they breathe the same air.
Right.
And if there's air is polluted, we will
Hmm.
get ill. It's the
Yes.
same thing. Yeah.
Mm.
So if we can replace natural products
Hmm.
at home,
Hmm.
uh, by all those commercially available from supermarket with all sorts of unknown things, horrible things that's harmful to the environment, it will help a lot. Imagine that you and I and everybody else doing that. All
Right.
this will help. And when you buy things, you use the consumer power
Hmm.
to buy things that are not excessively packaged.
Hmm. Hmm.
And also you just, for example, suntan lotion. We
Hmm.
do not you want to be burnt by the sun, but
Hmm.
buy those mechanical
With
options.
right.
Yeah.
So so
Otherwise, those will get into the ecosystem, the others, the
yeah.
chemical ones.
So buy suntan lotion that is free of harmful chemicals.
Exactly, exactly.
Hmm. Hmm.
Because people go like to go swim.
Yeah.
It's nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with that.
Yeah.
But there's suntan lotion we get into the seawater, and
Hmm.
everything is the comes up in a cycle. The
Hmm.
ecosystem is a whole cycle. Yeah,
Right.
if something's wrong, for example, very far away
Hmm.
in up north in mainland China, or
Hmm.
even in Australia, for example,
Hmm.
even Japan,
Hmm.
the radiation water pouring out in the sea, it will go to elsewhere that will
Hmm.
affect other people.
Hmm.
So there's a lot of things that we can do, and we just have to reflect on
Hmm.
our behavior. Have
Hmm.
I done something that's not that good? Have I
Hmm.
recycled my waste? Have I
Hmm.
done something into the bin that can be recycled?
Hmm.
Can I choose? Have I bought my own food container to buy food? Have
Hmm.
I bought my own, like tumbler to
Hmm.
buy coffee?
Yeah.
Have I bought my own bottle water instead of buying and buying and then throw away after
Yeah.
drinking?
Yeah.
Yeah. So all this counts.
Mm-hmm.
Boat,
Yes. Oh, mm-hmm.
boat traffic is actually very busy in
Mm,
the dolphin habitat, especially now that with Chat Lockout being such a huge piece of land. So
mm,
they have to fight water surface with boats speeding by. They have to
yeah.
come up for air,
Mm-hmm.
after some time. So some of them do get hit by
Uh-huh. Yeah.
uh,
Oh, yeah. And
boat
also I
like
see
that.
they get caught in the ropes, right? The fishing,
Yes.
is that fishing
Fishing,
line?
yeah, yes. I don't know,
Ah.
something, things that do not belong to the sea end up on the
Mm,
dolphin's body, restricting
mm,
them, harming them,
mm-hmm,
injuring them.
mm-hmm,
And this is this poor dolphin has a deep cut on its dorsal fin
mm,
onto the base,
mm-hmm.
definitely by propellers when it came out
Yeah.
for air, and then a boat just happened to be there, and
Yeah.
this
Oh.
one poor thing part
Mhm.
of the other side of the fluke, the tail got sliced away, and also a V
Mm,
cut on the
mhm.
base of the spine.
Yeah.
It survived, but
Mm-hmm.
the movement will be limited, will be
Right.
restricted.
Right.
Yeah, the fluke is to prepare the dolphin moving up
Yeah.
and down forward.
Yeah.
Yeah, so half, about one quarter is gone. So
Oh,
the speed will be limited.
yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
so if it had to escape from danger, for example, had to
Right.
swim fast,
It
then
cannot.
it probably wouldn't be able to as it was before.
Yeah.
And another deep cut on the base of the dorsal fin. Yeah,
Mm.
so very sad to see that this poor thing has all these great marks on the
Mm-hmm.
body. I don't know what happened, just collision with something
Yeah.
abrasive.
Right. Right. Yeah.
This
Almost looks like
poor
it was
thing had
burned. Uh-huh.
multiple cuts
Yeah.
on the spine, on the back, and then deep to the bone. Actually, it's
Yeah.
very sad, very sad. So boat traffic definitely a big problem.
Yeah.
Sadly, I don't see the chance of limiting boat traffic in the remaining habitat of the dolphins. Well, we talked about marine parks earlier. There
Mm-hmm.
is a speed limit inside marine park. You cannot drive over 10 knots per hour. That's quite
Uh-huh.
slow, actually.
Yeah.
And so it's dolphin family friendly. unfortunately, dolphins have been avoiding those established marine parks for many,
Oh,
many years.
mm-hmm,
So there must be some reason
mm-hmm,
that they choose to be elsewhere and not those so-called protected area. Some
mm,
maybe not much food there, maybe I don't know. They know why. They know why. We
yeah.
don't. And so if people do not join hands like caring more for the dolphin, we have seen boats speeding right towards the dolphins head on
Oh,
when we were out. Yeah, so that's why we insist of running the trips. When we
mm-hmm,
were out, we help to uh, monitor and also counting the numbers and then noting down the location and then the individuals and the numbers where we saw them,
yes.
and also to help to. I mean, if we have a boat
Mm-hmm,
nearby the
mm-hmm,
dolphins,
mm-hmm.
those boats will avoid our boat.
Yeah,
If the
right,
dolphins closer to us, they are safer.
right.
Yeah, so having a boat that's friendly to the dolphins helps
Yes,
for
yes.
the safety. And
Yeah.
also, if we see some really reckless, outrageously behavior, we take photos, we take
Mm-hmm,
footage, and then we
mm-hmm.
report them.
Okay. So
Report
yeah,
them.
is there a law for is it illegal to harm the dolphins?
It is, it
Okay.
is. But
That's
then you have to be caught. The
mm-hmm.
criminal has to be caught right on the spot that
Mm,
it killed the dolphin
okay.
or badly injured it,
I see.
driving the boat towards and hit it right on the spot, and then you caught at that very moment,
Uh-huh.
and then you were subject to, I think it's 2 years of imprisonment and some
Okay.
fine like $200,000 or something like that.
Okay.
But trust me, nobody has been caught and fined
Mm.
or punished for
Even
harming
though
a
you
dolphin.
even though you've reported incidents.
Oh yeah, because it's right after, and then the boat's
Oh,
gone.
I see. So there's no way to for you to identify the boat really.
Exactly, it's just
Yeah.
hit and run.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
although boats should be licensed,
Mm-hmm.
but trust me, there are so many boats.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
I hope not that many now, but some years ago, and when beef
Mm-hmm.
from Australia or lobster
Oh.
was banned to mainland China,
Uh-huh.
and there was smuggling boats,
Oh.
so many of them,
Oh.
speeding in Hong Kong waters
Oh
to
no.
smuggle those sort of beef and then wine and also lobster from Hong Kong airport to mainland China for big
Uh,
money, of course.
uh-huh. Right.
And other boats that should not be operating in Hong Kong but would be found here fishing or something like that.
I see. I
And
see.
even if they are licensed,
Uh-huh.
and even if the government would do something to track down the license owner of the boat, and he could say that, "Oh, I didn't go out that day, not
Uh-huh.
me,
Uh,
and I rented to some customer,
mm-hmm.
and then nowhere to be found."
Uh-huh.
It's very difficult
Mm.
to unless there's a police boat right on the spot and then stop right there. I saw you hit the dolphin. Da, da, da.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
very
But
sad
I see. I see. So these are
about
probably
that.
criminals in the first place that
Definitely,
yeah, I see.
absolutely.
Yeah. Okay. So you talked about this.
Yeah,
Yeah.
so this is the
What we can
question
do.
we should ask
Mm-hmm.
ourselves each
Mm-hmm.
and every day, all the
Mm-hmm.
time.
Mm-hmm.
There's lots of things that we can do. Of
Mm-hmm.
course, the government has the duty and they have the resource and they
Mm-hmm.
have the power to
Mm-hmm.
do much
Mm-hmm.
more. But as
Sure.
individuals, we also have our responsibility. We also pollute the environment,
Mm-hmm.
whether we like it or not.
Mm-hmm.
And being alive, using resources will produce, like pollution, one
Mm-hmm.
way or the other. But there must be ways that we can minimize that.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yes.
So if we do a bit more, every one of us, there will be a big change. Yeah.
Yes.
Do not underestimate each and every one of you, your impact on the environment. So it's all like drops of water putting into a place, and then you have a big pool and then a big ocean. And that's what
Yeah.
how things happen.
Yes.